a sugar and spice. I feel nice, a sugar and spice. So nice, so nice, I got you. When I hold you in my arms, I know that I can't do no wrong. And when I hold you in my arms, my love won't do you no harm. And I feel nice, like sugar and spice. I feel nice, like sugar and spice. So nice, so nice, I got you. When I hold you in my arms, I know that I can't do no wrong. And when I hold you in my arms, my
I feel
love can't
good.
do me no harm.
I look good.
And I feel
Feel good.
nice, like sugar and
And I
spice.
make love good.
I feel nice.
I want to step outside. I want to feel the love.
Yeah.
This is a man's world. Cassper said the exact same thing.
This is a man's world. I sing good, and I make love good.
I make love good.
I smell good.
It's all brothers and step outside.
This is a man's world. Ow!
This one's closed.
They must give us the thing, the music.
Nero could be our DJ.
Woo! Woo! Man thinks about a little bit of baby girls and a baby boy.
I sing good.
He's lost
I look good,
and bitterness.
and I make love good. Hello, America.
Jesus!
Hey, man, say, man, I'm in a good mood. I'm talking about. Woo! Hey. Happy Women's Month to all the women out there. You bitch niggas too. Ooh, baby, baby, baby. Now you play my shit. Ooh. Money, 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 money. For the money, baby. I can't hear y'all out there. All right. Woo! I can't hear y'all out there. Money. Cash. Cash money. Ooh. Man, he hit it like. I miss the good old times when they made music about real things that you can feel in your soul, like money. You feel me? They had a real message back then. The music now, man, it ain't got no soul.
Guns and drugs and hoes and codes. It ain't got no soul in it.
It ain't got no soul.
It ain't got no soul in it.
Oh, baby, 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 baby. I really need it. People don't let money change.
The biggest in it. The Philadelphia are real killers, man. Cool.
Thank you, Timmy boy.
Fuck me on that money. Told the bitch to drop it low and shake that ass and do it slow. And fuck me on that money. Fuck me on that money. Holding up brand new machine, so fresh, so clean, feel like a pimp, bitch. Where the fuck my money? Fuck me on that money. For that money, I get your gun, yeah, for the fun, and I got racks, can kill the fuck I want it. Snotty bitch, wipe your nose. MIA with the Zoes. 2 for came, my shit straight gold, that's what the fuck I wanted.
Fuck me on that money. I just spent the check on hats and on clothes, a quarter in the streets, and not a million coming. Fuck me on that money. Wrist pain, neck pain, mouth pain. This ain't come from Johnny Dang, I'm bustin'. Fuck me on that money. Know that money, I get you done, yeah. I realize these rappers faking, these niggas ain't putting nothing under. Fuck me on that money. Niggas sneaking up with rats. What the fuck? I'm the biggest in it, big forward never. Full chains on in the fast car, still for bad bro, legal trap call. I ain't got no motherfucking big dog.
Kiss my
Thank you. Happy Women's Month. Have a lovely night.
Now next year's all the power in his hand. Hey, the flowers are powerful, my brother. Hey, I'm this close to giving these flowers away to niggas. Think. There's 3 flowers left. I'll give them to any boy. Don't want to like you.
What's going on here?
That dude ain't feeling us. We about to leave him alone, you know what I mean? We wanted to bring the vibe to him. He didn't want it, so.
Oh, you're on live right now?
Yeah, we're live, yeah.
Oh, hi, hello.
Say what's up to chat.
Hi, what's up? What's your at? I don't know you.
Nasty_CSA1.
Uncle Nasty.
CSA1, alright.
Uncle Nasty's here, guys. We want to party. I need that sort of party. Ooh, sorry.
Please, I don't know. I don't.
Guys, man, yo, what's up? I'm gonna have to Pete and them, George. I grew up with these guys. Shout out to my boys from London. 9, 10, 11, 12.
10.
How much is that? This suit is tight. Why were you calling Teddy? What was he showing?
I show him the time.
Where's my watch? Wait, where's my watch?
Hello?
Wait, where's my watch, man? Wait, do it immediately. Tell you to call it back. You need to look for a watch.
Okay, I'm coming.
No.
Chat, keep it solid, chat. Keep it solid.
This guy's out of character. He took off his shades. But they don't want me to take off my shit.
What they say?
The W Unk still him.
No, I'm Unk. I'm Unk. He's grandpa. I'm Unk.
No.
I'm Unk. He's grandpa.
How do they call him Unk?
I'm Unk already.
Yeah, he's been Unk.
I'm touching 30 next year.
Not when I'm around. They can't call you Unk when I'm around.
Are you still gonna box?
I want to
Oh,
box.
yeah, you gotta teach me, bro. I'm into boxing now.
Yeah, it's amazing. What's the most important punch?
The jab. Come on now. Yeah, that's how you measure.
Yeah, no, you're on the right path. I was supposed to fight Nak. But he's been running, yeah. I think that's the fight that makes sense, the rematch.
Oh yeah. Okay.
That's the fight I want. I've been chasing it. People want me to fight Big Zulu, but I want to fight Nak before Big Zulu.
I'll take on Big Zulu.
Knock.
And take Knock.
I'll take Knock.
You think so?
I'm smaller. I can slip away.
He's tough.
I'm fast as hell. You should see me in the ring. I'm like Ali in his prime, bro. Except like I could disappear.
Have you ever sparred?
Me, yeah. Put him down. Knock music.
Has Nasty ever sparred before? He sounds like someone who's never
Don't you
sparred.
remember when I had my eye was messed up?
Was it from sparring?
It got me. No, sometimes
That's
my
horrible
arm,
defense.
My left arm gets my shoulder gets tired, and so I switch to that arm just for a little bit, just so I can recover. Then I bring it back up.
You need to be good at it.
I am.
So how do you block if
Like,
someone throws a right hook?
that's
How do you
easy.
block?
That's blocked already. My chin is safe. Look at it. Try it. You know what I'm saying?
What if I?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like that. Real shit. I'm dangerous, bro. Dangerous. I'm really a threat to society, but I'm a good guy. So you know.
I really want to see this.
I'm dangerous.
Chad, who do you think Nasty could be a good matchup with?
Pick your words wisely, Chad. Before I hurt
I
somebody.
already know who they're gonna say.
Before I hurt somebody, bro.
I already know. Not him. Pick someone else.
Who are they picking?
Huh?
Who are they picking?
Be careful, Chad. Watch your mouth.
They said pretty ugly. Yeah, that'll be a good
I
one.
wouldn't want to do it to him, Chad.
MT. Not
I don't want to do it to him. I'm gonna hurt that boy, man. Nota's light skin, bro. I beat him blue. Turn blue.
Yo, I'd love to fight Nota. Yo.
He'll come out with no freckles.
Yo, some people I'd love to. Yo. For free. There's a few.
Let's hear them.
You do it for free.
Yo.
Let's hear them.
And they're all in the same network. Yeah, I would give them.